In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pipedrive. We'll walk through the essential actions you need to get set up and start managing your sales process in a simple, visual way. By the end, you'll know how to bring your data in, connect your email, and work with deals from first contact all the way to won or lost. Let's start with importing your existing data. In Pipedrive, look toward the top of the screen for the section labeled More, often shown as 3 dots. Click that, then choose Import Data. This is where you can upload spreadsheets with your contacts, organizations, and deals. Take a moment to review your columns so they match Pipedrive's fields, like person name, email, and deal value. The cleaner your spreadsheet is before upload, the less cleanup you'll have to do later. Once you confirm the mapping and start the import, Pipedrive will bring that information into your account and organize it for you. Next, you'll want to sync your email so all your conversations stay connected to your deals. Go to your personal preferences, then select Email Sync. Here you can connect a Gmail, Outlook, or similar account. Follow the prompts to grant permission. This lets Pipedrive send and receive mail on your behalf and automatically link emails to the right contacts and deals. This step saves a lot of time because you won't have to hunt through your inbox to remember what was said. With your data and email in place, you're ready to create your first deal. From the pipeline view, look for the green Plus Deal button, usually at the top or near your stages. Click it, then enter key details: the deal title, the contact person, the organization, and the expected value or close date if you have them. Choose the pipeline and stage where this deal should start, then save it. It will appear as a tile in your pipeline. As you work the deal, you'll move it through the stages. Simply drag and drop the deal tile from one stage column to the next as it progresses. For example, from new to contact made, then to proposal sent. This visual movement makes it easy to see where everything stands at a glance. To stay on top of follow-ups, click into a deal and choose Activity. Here you can schedule calls, meetings, or tasks and add dates, times, and notes. These activities will show up in your Pipedrive agenda and help you keep a consistent cadence with your prospects. Finally, when a deal is finished, you'll mark it as won or lost. From the pipeline, drag the deal tile down toward the bottom of the screen until you see the won and lost options appear. Drop it onto the correct one. Marking deals this way keeps your pipeline clean and gives you accurate reports on your performance.